Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to make a dessert. I am making a lemon cream cheese dump cake with a little bit of a twist. The twist is the cake mix. I thought I had picked up a white cake mix. Didn't look at it close enough. It is a creamy almond, so we're going to see how that turns out. Really simple cake, so this recipe should go pretty quickly. First, I'm going to dump some lemon pie filling in. And I think I'm going to do 2 cans. Just to make sure I have enough, because this says it's a 9 by 13 pan, but it sure seems big. All that goodness in there. Yeah, I think 2 cans was a good idea. Dump the second one in. It's been so cold out there. It was 20 degrees this morning, and I've been having a hard time warming up, so I put a long sleeve sweatshirt type shirt on, and now I am hot. Okay, all that goodness in there, no waste. Get that spread around. And while I'm doing this, I just want to give a thank you. I have gotten some very, very kind and sweet messages from new subscribers, and it just really gives me hope and helps me out when total strangers, when I think that I am just totally lost on this, on knowing what to do, and people leave nice comments. It really means a lot. Okay, so the next step is a block of cream cheese. I heated it up because I want to be able to kind of swirl it in there so that you get some cream cheese in every bite. So I'm just using my little cookie scooper, and I'm putting some dollops. We're supposed to have some cold weather again next week. We didn't get snow. I myself wouldn't be too disappointed if we got snow, but I guess if you see it all the time, it's not the same. Okay, so I got that in there, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of pull it through best that I can. That looks pretty good. Now the next step, and I've already melted my butter. Okay, open up this. I forgot to open it ahead of time. If I look funny, my eyes are looking funny. I got dry eye that is really, really, I mean, they're just totally bloodshot. I've done put 2 rounds of drops in, and everything is blurry, and my eyes burn this morning. Okay, and we are going to just dump this cake mix. And again, you can use whatever flavor you want. If you want it lemony, use a lemon cake mix. You can use a white cake mix, yellow. I mistakenly got creamy almond, but I think it's going to turn out good. I love experimenting. Okay, and we're just going to mix it up. Instead of dumping it on the cake and putting back pats of butter, we're going to mix it up so we get a crumble. And I'll go ahead while I'm doing that. I'm going to heat the oven. So it's 350. Get that going. Let's see, 9 by 13. It says 30 to 34 minutes. On the cake mix itself, you just want to keep on mixing it until it's going to start beating up. Okay, now just kind of break it up as just crumble it all on there. And my hands are clean. I'm a fanatic about washing my hands in the kitchen, or anywhere for that matter. Now, I'm not sure, I don't remember what the recipe, I just watched a bunch of different videos and I never follow an exact recipe. I just kind of get an idea of what to do and then put it together. So the box mix says 30 to 34 minutes. So I'll set it for that and keep an eye on it, and I'll let y'all know how long it took. Okay. My oven isn't quite ready. So once that is ready, heat it up, I'm going to stick it in, and I will be back to show y'all the review.
Okay, I am back again, and as usual, I had more technical difficulties. It decided to record in high speed with no voice, so I slowed it down the best I could without distorting it too much, and I'm recording over. It took about 45 minutes to bake. I wanted to get a good golden crust, and here I am showing you what it looks like for your reference. I hope you can see that all right. And I'm going to do the taste test. I'm not a big lemon dessert person, so I had to get my husband's point of view because he loves it and he has been talking about it for days and keeps telling me I'm messing his blood sugars up. So I guess I need to start doing some healthier cooking. But I'm enjoying it. I hope y'all are too. Please remember, like, subscribe, and share, share, share. And until the next time, y'all have a great day and God bless.